Still got 2 miles to go. 2 miles of climbing. But look at that view. New place? Nice, man. What are they charging you for this? Zeke and I are hiking Mount Moriah. Hiking up to Mount Moriah. Oh. Is that a trailhead? We shall see. I think it's like 3,400 feet elevation gain, maybe. Yes. Someone's excited to be off leash. Come. Just ripping around. You got the zoomies? You better save some energy, dude. Got quite the climb. Oh, you think so, huh? I think you could bring it with if you want, but I would say, why don't you just wait and see if you have enough energy coming back down, then we can play. He's like, yeah, okay, Dad, I'm good. So far, it's a nice leg burner. Nothing like the Manitou incline. I mean, that's just straight up for, I think it's like 3/4 of a mile. I could be wrong. But this is a leg burner. Good elevation gain right off the bat. So, should be a good workout today. Someone needs to conserve some of their energy. Ooh. Probably doesn't look like much on video. It's gonna be all fogged up. Everything I have is sweaty. Look how big these trees are that fell. It's crazy. Some big trees. The lens is smeared, so if it's not the best quality, that's why, but everything I wipe just smears it more. I'm sweating bullets. I think it's like, it's supposed to be like 84 today. It'll be cooler up here probably as I keep climbing, in the 70s maybe. You heading out? Huh. If he's already looking for shade, we're screwed. Alrighty. Well, if you got so much energy that you want to do circles, man, that's on you. Watch now, he'll come peeling 1,000 miles an hour. Yep. It's like, dude, we still got 8 miles to go. But I don't know, he'll figure it out. You guys are probably like, look at this. I'm just gonna be silent besides his breathing. This is magical. Someone's pretty tuckered out, and why? Because someone keeps chasing squirrels. You fly off at 1,000 miles an hour to go chase them, and then 1,000 miles an hour back. Dad gives you water, tells you, hey, conserve some energy. We got 6.5 miles left. But no, someone's just got to fly at 1,000 miles an hour. It's a climb. Oh yeah. Nice leg workout though. Let's see if you can see the terrain behind. She's a burner. It's a hot one today. It's probably why I'm the only one out here. I was gonna do Mount Washington or hike up to it, but scattered thunderstorms and hail this afternoon probably wasn't a good idea. The storm passed for Mount Moriah, the one I'm currently doing. So, oh, see, it's a little cloudy. Almost there, buddy. Take a good break once we're up there. Oh yeah. Still got 2 miles to go. 2 miles of climbing. But look at that view. Oh man. It's really, I hate to ruin the moment and say, oh, it'd be so cool. Could you imagine this? It'd be so much better. But a month from now, when these leaves change, you can see them kind of getting orange and red down in there. This place is just gonna be unbelievable. It'll be nuts. Still gorgeous, still beautiful hike. No question about it. Someone's calming down a little bit. Beautiful day. It's a little on the warmer side, but as we get higher, it's cooling down. So that's nice. Pretty hard to beat. I think we've been at her for an hour, 2.6 miles. So we're doing real good for time. I think All Trail said 6.5 hours. So at this rate, we'll see how long it takes us to get down. But we're cooking with gas. And we be climbing. Right, Mountain Dog? Oh yeah. You can just feel those leg muscles. But I wouldn't trade it. Sure beats running in a gym. Zeke can relate. He's like, yeah, I hate running in the gym. Who's Jim? Whew. This view is gonna be nice. Are we ready? Oh yeah. So I was gonna do that one, but hail and isolated thunderstorms later this afternoon. Didn't sound like my cup of tea. And even if it was, Rachel was not for it. So, hey, when you got lightning up on a mountain peak, it ain't nothing to mess with. This is your new place? Nice, man. What are they charging you for this? Yeah, we can hang out for a bit. Told you gotta quit chasing those squirrels. That's what's doing it. I'm gonna shut this puppy down and just take in the views for a bit. Got ourselves some bouldering, huh? Say up that way. It's a good boy. It's a nice climb. You having fun? I'll bet you triple the food that you're gonna sleep good tonight. I'll give you a couple more cups, bonus cups for your hard work today. Maybe even a cold beer. It's like, really? A cold brew? You more of a stout guy or IPA? I think we're going straight up. He's like, I know we're going straight up. Almost there, buddy. I'll take a good break and I'll let you polish off the Wawa. He's got this new thing where he gets up in the morning, my right ear won't unpop. He gets up in the morning, wants his food, but will not take a drink, will not have any water, eat all his food, dry kibble, which is terrible. The food is good, but drinking it on an empty stomach. And we're like, dude, drink some water, and we try and give it to him. Won't. I don't know. Oh, look at this. Oh. Shit. Mom is not. I'm glad I was filming that. Quicksand Magoo, huh? Mom is gonna hate us. Oh, goodness. I don't want to roll my ankle either. Mud bogging, huh? Oh no. Oh my God. Just sunk right down. He was like, I'm sinking. I am sinking. Look at, I mean, in a video it probably won't pick up any scale of this, but look how big this boulder is. It's just kind of hanging on. Like, it's obviously not going anywhere, but it's tipped up there. And I mean, it came from somewhere. Broke off up at the top. That's insane, man. And trash. If that thing kept rolling, holy shit. Thing's huge. It's like the size of my old house. Getting close, buddy, huh? I think we're going this way. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Oh. Climb. God, I just love when it turns to this just moss, lush green. The moss turns to this lush green. I'm assuming we're going up, buddy. He's like, no problem. Watch him just scale this stuff, no care. It's wet, so we gotta be careful. Tell me he doesn't look like he's from Colorado. I think it's not even up to Rachel and I anymore. He wants to move to Colorado. Which I'm cool with that. I mean, I like being outside, the mountains, hiking, biking, breweries. You know, the stupid things in life. Oh. It's getting pretty foggy out there. There's officially No part of my clothing, including the shirt I'm not wearing, that isn't soaked. So I can't even wipe the lens anymore on this. But we have officially almost made her. This way, buddy. Oh. Okay, slow down. You don't need to bust one of your paws or something right at the end. Okay. Oh, baby. She fogged up quite a bit. How you doing?
Yeah, how are you?
Here, buddy. Come here. Are you cool with dogs?
Oh yeah.
I was gonna say he's friendly, but I can put him on a leash if you'd prefer.
Oh, you're fine.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Hey, that's not yours. Come here. Come here.
And Saturday afternoon, the other one.
Nice.
Sunday morning, we'll see. I hadn't thought about doing a sunrise hike, but apparently that is.
Yeah, that would be beautiful if you could time it and you get lucky with weather.
Yes.
So how many miles total is that then for you?
It'll be 21 total when
Okay.
I get back to town.
I met some people doing the Appalachian Trail. This one dude, his name was Connor, or is Connor. He was started in Georgia. He's been at it since May. So cool. Getting close to the end. Unreal. What a journey. His Instagram, like his bio or line or whatever you call it on Instagram, says, taking a long walk. It's hilarious. Super cool. Nice guy. I was already talking to Rachel about how I want to do it, and she really wasn't super on board with it, but I kind of just told her it's something that I want to do and something that I feel I have to set my mind to and achieve. Something bigger than life. And she's gonna love that I met someone on the trail doing it and that I'm even more inspired to do it. Yeah, we're hiking down now. I just started doing some trail running on some of that steep grade. Was hoofing it and then got, I don't know how far down, maybe a quarter of a mile, and realized I didn't have my shirt. And it's a shirt that I got in Colorado that I like, so hoofed it all the way back up there. Zeke's like, what are we doing? Sure enough, it was laying right on a rock, blended right in. So that was kind of a bummer, but whatever. I'm supposed to let Rachel know I'm on my way back down. Someone's just loving hoofing down. See if he stays on the wood or if he goes right into the mud like last time. He sunk last time. Well, I guess that was up. So I think we get to the last part and there isn't these beams. No. Yeah, that's tough. Let's see if... Can you walk on this stuff? That wasn't too bad. We shall call you Mud Paws. Besides Zeke's collar and his breathing, it's dead silent out here. So peaceful. Just, you don't hear anything. I'll get you some. We don't have much left. I'll let you have the rest. We have ran out of water because someone decided he needed to sprint up and back and forth, and oh, my knees. Come here, buddy. You want some water? pop a bird. I think we're at, let me check, maybe 5.5 miles. It's hard on your knees coming down. 6.5. It's off by a little bit. Means I've done a mile since I last looked. I looked before 5.5, otherwise I wouldn't have thought it was 5.5, but making good time going down. Just got to be careful not to slip on these rocks and crack my head open or twist an ankle on these roots. Yeah, you got to hold yourself up, and it's all in your knees, and my one knee hasn't been good since I was like probably 12 or 13. I actually started to get knee pain from the cartilage, and I wore a brace for a little bit. But use it or lose it, so I'm using it. Just a big old puzzle, huh? This guy's a smart cookie. Same spot as last time. Right in his little den. We're on the way down now. And he went right to it. You're smart. You're a smart boy. Oh, he's such a good dog. This is something else, man. This dude is just chasing these red squirrels, and then he brings them to a tree and sits there and thinks he's gonna get up there somehow. And it's like, dude, save your energy, man. I know he's exhausted, I can see. I am. And he's probably I think he's getting kind of delusional, like just delirious from the hike, and then he does this where he goes 1,500 miles an hour and wastes all of his energy, and we're out of water. Still got like 1.5 miles, 2 miles to go. I had to turn around because I dropped my shirt, so I don't know how much that tacked on. I didn't really pay attention. Maybe 1/2 mile. So in that case, then we would have to, yeah, listen to him. Oh, and what did you get out of that? You know, I did think about it though. I fed him this morning, but maybe he's hungry. Maybe he would actually eat one of these red squirrels if he got him. Maybe he's looking for a snack. I'll feed him when we get to the van and then feed him again for dinner. Oh, I think I'm gonna I'll drive us to the brewery. I might shower first. Rachel's got a little bit of work left, I think. I don't even know what time it is. I haven't even checked the time. There he is again. See this red squirrel? That one might actually fall. Gonna get it? I think you can climb that tree. He's getting pissed at me. I keep telling him we're close, and he's like, what does close even mean? He's like, God, how many more squirrels am I gonna have to chase with no water? I think we're like a mile away. Oh. Some hiking poles would have been nice. Coming down, my knees are just barking. Because you're like holding yourself, planning yourself, because we're going down and it's all rock and rooty and excited for. Should text Rachel or try to get some ice going. I'm gonna do that right now. Look at this thing. Getting eaten because I'm in the shade. Crazy the color on that thing. Place. Do you know this place? 9.2 miles, I think she was. Never wanted something cold in my entire life. See, we got a cracked headlight. Must have got chipped by a rock. It sucks. Alive.